Hi there, welcome to Techopsworld. This is Vijay Selvam. In this video, we are going to see how to create your first Node.js REST API. And in our upcoming videos, we will see how to Dockerize this Node.js app and deploy it in the cloud. Please do subscribe us for more upcoming videos and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Now let's jump into the video. As a first step, we need a node to be installed in our machine. I have gone to the site Node.js. Here you can download the latest Node.js version. I am downloading 16.13.2. We have Node has been downloaded. Let's install Node.js setup in our machine. Click on next. Here you will be seeing a different option because I have already Node.js setup installed in my machine. Here you have to click next, then click next, and here you will be getting the option of install and proceed with the steps. Once Node has been installed in your machine, open command prompt to check the version. Window or and type command. Here you can check the Node version. So here it is 16.13.2. You can also check with npm. By default, a Node comes with a npm. It's a Node packaging manager. So here I could see both Node and npm, which means in my machine I have Node is installed successfully. Now let's start creating our first Node.js application. I have opened Visual Studio Code Editor for doing this. You can use any editor you wanted to use. Let's open the terminal. Currently, if you see, I am in the path Node. So now I will create a new packaging npm init. So here you need to press enter for all the things. And finally press yes. If you could see, we have package.json has been created. So in our package.json, we don't have any packages installed. Let's install a package called express. This will help us to start our application. To install the package express, npm install express. This will install express in our machine. That will be installed locally inside this folder. Now if you could see, we have express installed in this application. Now let's create a file named server.js in this path. So let me create a file named server.js. So here just 3 steps we need to do. Now the first step is to import the express package. Const express and require express. Now we have imported express. The next step is to create an instance for that. Const app express. The next step is to create a port. So which port we are going to run this application? So let me create a port. Const port pros.env.port and the port you want to run it. So for example, I wanted to run this application on port 4000. Now we are just 2 steps away to complete this application. Now let us listen to the port. App.listen port. So this will listen to our port. Now we will create our first API. App.get. Here I am going to use the name as hello. So this will be the path to access this API, and now here add the params request and then response. And we are going to return a JSON response. So here I am going to type res.json. So inside the JSON response, what are we going to respond? Here I am going to respond with the data. Inside the data, I will respond with hello world. So we have created our first REST API. Let's run this application. So now this is in the file server.js. So let me change it to server.js in the main. Okay, now let me add a script. I'll have a script called a start. In this script, I'm going to use node server.js. This is how we run our application. So now let me run it. npm run start. This is how we execute the scripts mentioned here in the package.json. So always use npm run and then whatever the names you have given in the script. This will start our application in port 4000. Now our application has been started. Let's verify this. So to verify this, we can use either Postman or even you can use it in the Chrome, because we have created a get API. Here if you could see, this is a get API and it doesn't take any request, so you can directly verify this in the Chrome as well. Let me verify it in the Postman first. Now I have opened the Postman. Let me create a new request here. And let me type so here this is our URL hello, and if I hit, so here it should be on the type get, because our call is the get call. Then click send. So this will respond our data. So here we have mentioned as hello world. We can also verify this in the Chrome. Here type our localhost port. Here we can see our data. Now let us make some changes in the code and we'll see whether this is the server is restarting. If you could see, I am changing it to hello Vijay and saving. Here the server doesn't restart. So for that we need a package called Nodemon. So that will restart our server every time we make any changes in the code. Let us install Nodemon. I'm just stopping the server. npm install Nodemon. Now we have Nodemon installed in our machine. Now let us change it to Nodemon. Instead of node server.js, change it to Nodemon. Let's save it. Let's run it again. npm run start. Okay, now let us open Postman to test it. Here it is showing hello Vijay, which the recently updated one. Now let me change it back to hello world. Let's save it. I'm not restarting the server. Instead, the Nodemon restarting the server. Now let us send it again. Yeah, we could see the response. So this is how we create our first Node application. If you have learned something new from this video, please do subscribe us. This will motivate us to put more content. And if you have any queries or doubts related to this video and wanted to learn any specific topic, please comment in the below comment box. I'll make a video on it. And in our next video, we will see how to Dockerize this Node.js app and deploy it in the cloud. We will use a Heroku for the deployment. Until then, signing off, Vijay Selvam. See you on next video.